Recognized worldwide for their high-performance, innovative line of wireless microphones and cutting-edge technology, Emmy Award-winning Nady system strikes again with the groundbreaking MGT-16. Nady's brand new MGT-16 system is a UHF wireless system for guitar and bass featuring 16 user-selectable PLL frequencies for interference-free performance anywhere, with up to 300 feet operating range line of sight. This system is designed for maximum portability and ease of use. With infrared download of the selected frequency on the receiver to the transmitter, instant setup is a breeze. You have a choice of two miniature transmitters that plug into your guitar or bass with no connecting cords needed. The MT-16A with 30-degree angled plug for use with either recessed or surface-mounted jacks, or the MT-16R with a right-angle plug for surface-mounted jacks only. The compact receiver can either be battery operated by two alkaline AA batteries or used with the supplied AC adapter. The dual antenna circuitry ensures dropout-free performance. The receiver can be placed on your amp or nearby as with conventional wireless systems, but can also be used pedal style on the stage floor. Receiver controls include an off, mute, on power switch, with the mute position allowing quiet power on-off switching. The volume control adjusts the audio output level. At the maximum setting, the gain will be slightly greater than that of a direct instrument to cord to amp connection. This gives you the option of some added kick in your tone. You can select one of 16 preset UHF channels within the 902 to 928 MHz band by setting the four switches in the open battery compartment per the pattern in the frequency selection chart in the back of the manual. The system comes from the factory with the squelch control set to optimum for most operating conditions. This recessed control in the battery compartment can be adjusted with a small screwdriver to minimize noises from outside RF interference should this be needed. The 1/4-inch output jack can be used with any standard guitar cord to connect your amp or your effects. The DC jack is for connecting to the supplied wall-wart AC-DC adapter if you choose to AC power the unit that way. 3 LED indicators provide status information at a glance about received signal, battery status, operation of receiver without the AC adapter, and power on. The IR Sync LED is used to download the receiver's selected operating frequencies to the transmitter. The IR Sync button in the battery compartment is used to activate the IR selected frequency download from the receiver to the transmitter. We'll show you how this is done in a moment. Which of the two transmitter options you choose will depend on which type of guitar or bass jack you'll be plugging it into. The operation of both transmitters, the MT-16A and MT-16R, is the same. The only difference is the angle of the plug. Both transmitters are also available individually for performers using multiple guitars. The power switch is used to turn the transmitter on and off. The 15 dB attenuation pad can be selected to reduce the input gain by 15 dB for higher level audio input signals, for example, from active bass pickups. This will eliminate any chance of signal overload. Given the wide dynamic range of the MGT-16, you won't need to activate the input signal pad for most applications. There is also an internal audio level adjust in the open battery compartment accessible with a small screwdriver. This can be used to further optimize the input level setting, but most likely will not be necessary. Generally, this is used to change adjustment settings for the output of other connected instruments such as portable keyboards. Note also the permanently attached antenna and the battery compartment that easily slides open for insertion of the single AAA alkaline battery that operates the transmitter for up to 8 hours. Also, in the open battery compartment is the infrared receptor sensor LED. This is used to link the transmitter to the receiver during IR frequency download. The process of downloading the selected frequency is a snap. After selecting the receiver's operating frequency with the dip switches, simply align the IR receptor LED of the powered-on transmitter so it is facing 6 to 12 inches from the receiver's IR sync LED. Press the IR sync button on the receiver once and wait 1 second. Upon successful IR data download, the receiver's signal LED will light, indicating the transmitter is locked in and transmitting on that frequency. And that's all there is to it. Connect the receiver to your setup, plug the transmitter into your guitar, bass, or other portable instrument, and you're ready to rock.